Okay, so let us evaluate the limit of this. Limit of square root of t squared plus 9 and then minus 3 all over t squared as t approaches to 0. So as we can observe, ang denominator dito ay magiging 0. So that is undefined, di ba? So ibig sabihin, yung direct substitution dito hindi mag-work. So kagaya ng relationship nyo. Joke lang. So kasi kung magda-direct substitution tayo, this will give you 0 over 0, which is undefined or meaningless, and we call it indeterminate form of limit. So ibig sabihin, we have to do something else. We need to do some algebra here. So, kasi ang nagko-cause na maging undefined is yung denominator na t square. So, kailangan ma-cancel out natin yan or magawa ng paraan para matanggal yung nagko-cause na maging undefined yung sagot natin. So, anong gagawin natin dyan? So, makikita naman natin yung numerator natin ay more complex compared sa numerator. So, ibig sabihin, dun tayo mag-workout. Ano? So, anong gagawin natin? So, kung ang sagot nyo ay rationalizing the numerator, you are correct. So, di ba, familiar lang tayo sa rationalizing the denominator. Well, in fact, pwede mo din yung may apply sa numerator. So, mag-multiply tayo dyan ng 1, correct? So, di ba, kasi kapag nag-multiply ka ng 1, walang magbabago. Hindi kagaya niya. Joke lang ulit. So, itong 1 na to, of course, since ito radical and then minus 3, so ang i-multiply natin dyan ay yung conjugate niya. So, just the opposite. Okay, kung minus 3 yan, plus 3 dito. And then, all over the same. T squared, square root of t squared plus 9, then plus 3. Okay? So, this time, let us multiply. So, let us multiply this numerator by this numerator, and then denominator by denominator. So, as we can observe, itong numerators natin ay sum and difference, right? So, di ba, kapag meron kang a plus b, and then a minus b, it will give you the difference of two squares, right? So, we have to get the square of this as well as the square of 3, right? So, of course, kapag nag-square tayo ng square root, di ba, kapag halimbawa, square root of 2, tapos kinuha mo yung square niyan, so, matatanggal yung square root sign dyan or radical sign and it will give you 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin dyan ay t square plus 9 and then get the square of 3 and that will give you 9 and then copy t square and then this one. So, wala tayong masisimplify dyan. Plus 3. Okay? So, this time, ano nang gagawin natin? So, kita naman na ang numerator natin ay magiging t square and then yung denominator natin, yan, square root of t square plus 9 and then plus 3. So, this time, ito na yung makakancel natin. So, di ba, sabi natin kanina, yung denominator dyan ay dapat makancel kasi yun yung nagkakos na maging undefined yung sagot natin. So, ang sagot natin dito ay limit of 1 over square root of t square plus 9 and then plus 3. So, this time, pwede na tayo mag-direct substitution. So, it will give you 1 over, so 0, so square root of 9 plus 3. And then, that is 1 over 3 plus 3, and that is 6. So, the final answer is 1 over 6. Okay.